Reservation should be on gender basis rather than caste basis system. With due regard to the architect and father of Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhim Rao Baba Saheb Ambedkar, in Article 14 to 18 of the said Constitution, it provides right to equality to the Indian citizens. Keeping in view of it, I am having liberty to express my view in the larger interest of the society. In my view, reservation facility should be continued under gender basis system instead of caste basis system, that too excluding the creamy layer citizen of India. In spite of several attempts of extending such benefit to the said category citizen, even though the creamy layer of such category of citizen are enjoying the benefits to their family members from generation to generation, depriving the other talented and efficient people have ultimately having repercussion upon the welfare of the nation. So far as my knowledge is concerned, Baba Sahib has recommended of reservation for first 10 years, that is 1950 to 1960, and after reviewing of their position, further period may be extended, but he never suggested it should be continued forever or for indefinite period, and never mentioned in constitution that while extending benefit to such category people, selection procedure should be less intelligent or inefficient people should be selected or appointed instead of available talented and intelligent people of unreserved category. For more clarification, I am giving an example. If selection in any recruitment for any post of service or any educational institution, the minimum mark is fixed 60%, suppose, then it should be applicable for all citizens instead of fixing less percentage for reserved category and more for unreserved category. The parameter of marks should be equal to all instead of selecting less intelligent and inefficient people because of belonging to certain caste. It is quite unjustified thing. If we want our country would prosper and compete with other countries of the world like Japan, France, Germany, USA and China, then select the talented and intelligent people only and avert further brain drain of the intelligent people of India and enable our nation for prosperity and growth. Thirdly, if at all reservation facility is to be continued and once adequate number of female citizens would be accommodated in a different sphere of the society for empowering them of their representation should be increased, then change it to gender basis reservation instead of caste basis reservation system. If such is provided, then talented and efficient people will get benefit irrespective of caste, creed and religion. How it would be derived? Whenever government is making population census, it is ascertained that such number of male, female, third gender people are available in the nation. Suppose male percentage is 50%, female percentage is 45%, and third gender is 3%, and other handicapped 2%. And vacancy of any post is suppose is 100, then select 50 male, 45 female, and 3 third gender, and 2 from handicapped category people. After observing the other formalities like recruitment, etc., only select the efficient and intelligent people basing on their gender instead of their caste. If the nation desires, the caste system should be abolished and our country would prosper, then it is the only option either to stop the caste based reservation system and adopt the gender based reservation system. Such discrimination should not be continued by providing reservation to the particular caste and depriving the other intelligent efficient people. You cannot punish the successor for the crime committed by the predecessors. If father has committed any crime, then his son will not be punished of the crime committed by his father. Whenever constitution was framed during that time, certain caste people might have shown any ill treatment to any specific caste people, and now situation has changed to great extent, and it is not justified to continue to punish next generation people who has innocent and not committed any offense to any caste people now. It is need of the hour, and in the interest of all, the reservation system is to be reviewed, and talented and efficient people should be accommodated in the deserved cadre. Government would see that at least one member of each family should be appointed. It is my opinion.